Hello, my name is Dinesh Kumar M from the Artificial Intelligence and Data Science batch, and specifically, I was in the Battlefield class. I am extremely happy to share that I got placed in Hexaware with a package of 4 LPA. The training in Spiders was extremely helpful. They helped out in every field, they didn't miss out anything. Coding was done by Aryan sir, who did a really great job. Verbal was done by Chandrasekhar sir, who really got me to come out of my shell and stop being introverted. And even aptitude and SQL were also done pretty well. So I'm very grateful for all their support and their guidance. So again, I would like to express my humble gratitude towards Aryan sir, because he was the main mentor of Battlefield. So yeah, thank you, and I hope you'll continue your support. Thank you.